Kate gives him as much as Michael gives her. As a couple, they are greater than the sum of their parts. Why I'm so happy to be here today is I have no doubt about their success. I have no doubt about them as a family. I have no doubt about them as mother and father to little Allie. They are so strong, and they're much stronger together than they ever were apart.
Today, you have a new partner in ham to your cheese, and I'm so thrilled for you to marry the beautiful, talented, and caring love of your life, Kate. May you script the next chapter and create memories and exciting journeys that you will now take. I just caution, no offenses and no Russian mafia. In closing, a Scottish poem of friendship. Haste ye back, we love you dearly. Call again and you're welcome here. May your days be free from sorrow and your friends be ever near. May the path on which you wander be to you a joy each day. Haste ye back, we love you dearly. Haste ye back on friendship's way.
Raise your glasses, ladies and gentlemen, to the bride and groom, Caitlin and Michael.